Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about Daytona 350R1, Zontes Excitingly Enjoyable Motorcycle. So make sure to watch the full video. The new Daytona 350R1 is aimed at those who want to be excited about every aspect of their lives. The medium displacement street fighter takes on this role in every ride, every route, and kilometer you will ride on its saddle. With the brand new 350cc engine, with a level of equipment found on much larger and more expensive motorcycles, and of course its unparalleled design that leaves no one unmoved, the new 350R1 is your quiver for the battles on the road. Color TFT screen. The color screen with high resolution and brightness is made with technology that allows a greater viewing angle and has automatic brightness level adjustment, depending on the lighting conditions in the environment. In addition, it has 4 different interfaces for the rider to choose the one he prefers, each with a separate thematic approach. Illuminated switches. As with all models in the factory range, the 350R1 features quality backlit switches that electrically control the gas cap, steering wheel lock/unlock, and saddle opening, while they also feature the IP67 certification for their level of waterproofing. The standard equipment also includes a dual USB QC 3.0 port for fast charging of 2 devices at the same time, with each port capable of charging 18W power. 2 power modes. The Central Engine Management Unit, ECU, offers 2 separate performance mappings, giving the rider a choice depending on their desired riding style and pace. The ECO Power mode has a milder response and reduces fuel consumption, while the Sport Power mode with its more immediate response and explosiveness suits sportier driving rhythms, fully living up to its name. LED technology. All of the 350R1's lighting fixtures are LED technology, with the characteristic R family headlight shape further emphasizing the bike's sporty character, while at the same time offering a wide and natural beam of light throughout the rider's field of vision. Redesigned exhaust. The stainless steel housing and new inner coating of the exhaust tip keep the temperature low, aiming not only at performance, but also at the comfort of the passenger due to the placement of their foot close to the area. The exhaust pipes and tailpipe have been redesigned and are now larger in size, with better airflow but also reduced sound in order to meet the new specifications, with simultaneous benefits in the flow distribution at low revs. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.